Withdrawing funds held by Yahoo Mail can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the payment section. Once logged in, look for the payment or funds section within your Yahoo Mail account. This may be found under Settings or a dedicated Payments tab, depending on the interface updates. Step 3. Select the withdrawal option. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. Select how you would like to receive your funds. Options may include bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment services. Make sure to enter the required details accurately. Step 5. Confirm and submit your withdrawal. Review all of the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your chosen withdrawal method for the arrival of your funds. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo Mail support for assistance.